ready to head out to the destination. First official cold start after the tune, and we're gonna get a reaction. Ready? What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to my bike meet, hosting another one because the last one was a lot of fun and I want people to hear this bike now that it has an exhaust and it's tuned and all that stuff. I posted the bike meet, I believe, on Thursday, so I only gave it a few days. I didn't want it to be as big as last time, just a little get together, something like that, for fun, you know, hang out with people, meet some of you guys. I posted all these details on my Instagram, so if you are not following me there, feel free to follow me on my Instagram. It's the same name as my YouTube channel, @amk. It should be fun. We'll see what bikes are gonna show up. I might have a few special guests and stuff like that. But yeah, this is an exciting day. You guys liked the video from last time and a lot of you guys enjoyed the meet. So here I am doing it again. It's also a beautiful day out. I chose the right day. Pleasure meeting you in person. I've never seen this in person, but damn.
Yeah, I was just showing him, he was asking about it. It's an 360 brand pole.
Yeah.
Extended one.
I've seen it in videos, but I've never seen how crazy it is in person.
Yeah, I've done 190 miles an hour like this and it stays.
Dang. Yeah, they just sent me a few of those cameras, but I didn't have accessories, so I didn't put anything on it yet. How are you doing today? How are you doing? How are you doing? Huh? Thank you, bro.
So you could have washed the bike.
Do I ever wash my bikes? I just wipe them down every now and then. The tune? No, next week. So we did the base map on it right now. But we ran it and then we didn't do adjustments, didn't have time.
Was the exhaust heated
so,
before or no?
huh?
Was the exhaust purple like that?
No. After
Way after the dyno?
after the dyno, yeah. Check out some of the bikes here. How you doing, guys? Thank you for coming. Hi. How you doing? How you doing, man?
Sergio.
Oh, that's cool. How you doing? How you doing, guys? Thank you all so much for coming. Hello. Hey.
Round 3. Okay.
Yes. How you doing, man? Ooh, I want to hear that. Let's see. I might have a couple more friends show up too. How you doing, bro? Good, good. Thank you. All right, we are getting ready to head out to the destination. Decent amount of bikes. Waiting for everyone to gear up.
Oh, brother! I fucking like that shit!
Thank you. Trying to go slow so everyone, you know, the people that were a little bit late can catch up. I guess we lost a lot of people. bike is kind of acting up a little bit on me. A good amount of people made it. That was fun. That was fun, dude. That was fun.
Looks like everybody made it.
Huh?
Looks like everybody made it.
We lost a lot of people in the start, but it's okay. A good amount of people made it. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. Appreciate every single one of you guys that showed up, and all of you guys watching. I don't know if we're getting kicked out or not, and that's pretty much it for today's video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Ride safe.